Hi, my name's Rachel Derstine, and this year I plan to teach some classes and give a lecture at the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza on September 15th and 16th. This will be held in Oaks, Pennsylvania, a little bit north of Philadelphia. And let me show you a little bit about what I will be teaching. Our first class is going to be on Thursday, September 15th from 9 to 4. This is an architecture quilt workshop. I moved to Philadelphia 2 years ago, and I have been totally inspired by all the architecture and the wonderful buildings around me, so I started making these architecture quilts. The quilt you make in class will be based on a photograph of your own, of a building that you like, or perhaps a group of buildings, or a structure and scene like a bridge in a landscape. And you will learn how to resize that to the size of your quilt, and then you will trace it. I will teach you how to do that before class, and then we can hit the ground running in class. I want to teach you how to make proper perspective and how to create a vibrant building that just grabs people's attention and is very playful. The second class I'll be teaching is the Mini Landscape Quilt Workshop. It's a half-day class, and it will be on Friday morning from 9 to 12. This is using fused applique techniques, so we will be making very tiny quilts, either 8 by 10 or 5 by 7. You can use some landscape background designs that I can provide you, and there also is a kit available which you can purchase in class if you would like. We will piece the sky, the distant mountains, and the water if you want water, and then we'll fuse all the rest of the elements onto the surface. It's great fun, and these go really, really fast. And then last of all, on Friday at 1:30 in the afternoon, I will be giving my favorite lecture, Keep It Simple But Pack a Punch. This is all about how I like to make quilts that are not complex, but you can find ways of making them very compelling. I share my thoughts on how to use great fabrics and simple designs to make amazing quilts. I show some works by other artists who have inspired me, and also speak about how my background of growing up in Japan has informed my work. So I hope you can come. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the quilt show. I hope you will sign up to take some of my classes and come hear my lecture. Hope to see you there.